Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, don't miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, what's up, the Feg Army, man? Yeah, we had some crazy pullbacks, man. I've been watching the price the whole time. You guys know that on the prior videos, I loaded up on these pullbacks right here. I did not load up on this one. I'm hoping that we hold this right here. I told you guys that if we broke to the downside right over here, down here, that we're going to be having this video and we're going to have this talk one way or another. So, you know, sometimes the videos are going to be positive when we're making money and things are going up, but, you know, you got to face what's happening right now. And we had a pullback, but what's good about this pullback, if we look back prior, it's a key resistance, it's a key support, I mean, right here on this line right here, where before, if we look, this is where we had a false breakout. We pulled back, we tapped right there, so the price was rejected a couple times, and then we had that initial breakout, the pullback to make that the support. And if we go and we look where we're at now in the future, we're right on this line right here where we pulled back and made that support. So this is a healthy chart still. This is basically that Wyckoff pattern. I suggest that you guys Google that pattern and check it out. Now you guys know that we're starting to make higher lows. So right now, let's get these that we started going down and what happened right here. I did not buy in on these. I did buy in up here on these dips. And to be honest with you guys, I even bought right here. I was trying to push the price up. I didn't want to see FEG to go any lower. And you know what? I don't plan on selling my FEG. I just kept loading my bag, taking these reflections, and, you know, just sellers get wrecked at the end of the day, man. When FEG takes off, if people sleep on it, they're going to be mad when it takes off and then they didn't get on the boat, or, you know, they didn't take off on the ship to get to the moon. So we got this right here. We start identifying that we're making higher lows right here. So when we pull back, we're starting to pull back higher than we did before. So right now we got a chart that's looking like we're ready to continue to go up. I'm gonna wait till we break out of this channel and possibly this channel. I want to see some get me into positive, and I'm just letting you guys know how I do things. And you know, sometimes this happens. I also have something for you guys that I want to show you guys, because it's not always perfect when you're trading. So I had this, and this is me trading the NASDAQ, and these days happen. This was a while back already, before I started the channel, and but I think it's been like about 6 months or something like that. But I still trade the NASDAQ. I just wanted to show you guys that even though, yeah, I was down 1,500 on this, I still stayed strong, and I made 6,500 on ACB. And you know, this is when I was trading the NASDAQ. So I just want to show you guys that even sometimes when you buy on these key resistance or key supports, sometimes things happen, but you just have to be diligent. You know, this is a $1,500 loss. It's a $500 loss. And yeah, total 2 G's. But at the end of the day, I ended it at 4,800. And that's what I'm trying to teach you guys, to be consistent. To also just keep noticing these things. And what happens is, you know, other people bought up here, and you know, those people got a lot more panic, you know, they panic sold or whatnot like that, and imagine buying up here at the top. So that's why I like to show you guys these key points to buy on these dips, you know, these main supports that we had. I thought this one was going to hold, because this was that initial breakout up here, but it did not hold. So we went from that first breakout, which was, yeah, right here. This was that first breakout when the price was rejected 3 times. We had the price rejected right there, there, and there. So yeah, so right now, if we can break past this, which it looks like we're going to, let's make this a little bit bigger now. It looks like we're actually going to break past. We're back into erasing the zero, so that's good. Those who've been holding and those who've been getting reflection tokens, you know, we get rewards nonstop every time there's a buy and sell, and there's burns happening nonstop. It's going to get harder and harder to accumulate a certain amount of FEG. So I'm happy that we're back over we erased the zero, and we're back over the 9s, and I'm hoping that we can start testing this on the upside up here. So we're talking about possibly the next areas of resistance, 10s, we got the 11s, and I really want us to get back to the 13s. That's really healthy. The markets right now, you know, Bitcoin pulled back. We had a lot of other tokens that well, the sentiment in the market was not that good, but I think we're starting to have a breakout. You're seeing this breakout right now through this resistance right now as we speak. I want you guys to still notice that the crosses are starting to get separated, so that's also an indication that we could be losing momentum. But with the MACD showing us that, we're kinked going that way, we just don't have no green candle. So again, not that much buying momentum, so we might tap right here and come back down and then try to shoot back up again. I'll be watching this one very close. If something happens that's crazy, you guys know that I'm gonna be dropping a video letting you guys know what's going on. Let me know what you guys think about down in the comments. Did you guys buy this dip? I hope you guys did. None of this is financial advice, of course, but those who are part of my money bag alerts and got the course half off, you guys know what's up, man. We got a lot of things shaking over there. We're talking about a lot of tokens. It's not just me bringing things to the table, but we have an open dialogue. We just had a couple new members today, so I suggest you guys look into it if you guys want to see when I'm getting in these plays and when I'm getting out these plays. And I got something special coming up next month for those who are part of the money bag alerts. We're gonna have some fun and we're gonna do some live trading. I just gotta set the thing up to be able to do a live stream with you guys. So like that, those who are channel members, I'll do a special live stream where you guys can see me trading live and see how I do, when I do, and how I do it when I do it. All right, so you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.